We all know how bad rush hour can be on the road. Now rush hour in the air is almost as bad. Consumer advocates say airlines are contributing to the problem by scheduling more and more flights into popular early morning and evening travel times, even though the carriers know those flights won't make it on time.
There might be as many as twice as many airplanes to take off in a given hour as the airport has capacity for. So those planes will simply be delayed. Even if you get into the airplane, you'll wait on the tarmac.
There's no question scheduling does make a dramatic difference. This is a busy airport during rush hour, and this is a busy airport a few hours after rush hour. Airlines say their schedules reflect a simple fact: people want to fly at the same time of day. Airlines say they do build extra time into their schedules for pushback and taxiing during peak travel times. The rest is all driven by customer demand.
People want to fly at 5 o'clock, that's when we schedule the flights. If they want to fly at 3 o'clock, that's when we schedule the flights. Scheduling and prices are both set by the marketplace.
But some analysts say it may soon be necessary to set prices based on airport capacity, charging more for flights in peak times.
Peak pricing is a short-term way of relieving congestion at the airport, but it does not increase capacity, and that's our long-term problem, and that is what we need to be focusing our attention on right now.
Consumer advocates say peak pricing is unpopular, complicated, and may not work. A better solution, consumer groups argue, would be what they call truth in scheduling regulations.
To outlaw deceptive scheduling practices and see if people won't choose times that are perhaps slightly less convenient but do not overload the system.
The FAA is now studying whether airlines, even under perfect flying conditions, could keep to their published schedules. In the meantime, almost everyone agrees travelers will be seeing red more in coming years. Darren Gersh, Nightly Business Report, Dulles Airport.